It's a quick little video showing how to change a flow turbine on an ideal Independent C24 boiler, and I had a bit of a nightmare when I got there. I could not get the flow turbine out, so for the first time I was able to use my Wira Joker wrench, and it saved the day. It cost me a fortune the set, but for the first time it did pull me out of a bit of trouble. So I got the flow turbine out, the sensor going back on now, which you don't need to unclip it. It literally, you can swivel it and it does come off. Didn't take any of the connections off it either, so don't have to mess about with it. Just twist it and have a little play, and it will pop off the top and then pop back on, nice and easy. Pump connection back on, I undid that just to get it out of the way, make a bit more room. Right, condensate trap back in. A little bit tricky, only using one hand, and as you'll see at the end of the video, I am up a ladder leaning on this boiler. The boiler is in an absolute nightmare position at the bottom of the stairs, which I've not really ever seen before. So not the best location for a boiler. Yeah, just line up the trap with the rubber connector. Just be careful so it slots into it. Getting a bit tricky with one hand, but just make sure it's in. Always check after you've finished the job that there's no leaks and it's all tight, watertight. No. Yeah, once it's finally pushed in, then you can twist it, lock it into place. Net the little rubber hose. So the tenant who was living at this property had no hot water whatsoever. Changed the flow turbine. It was a really nice little easy quick job, even with difficult location of the boiler. Part was about £50, and that's it, job done. But as you can see now, as I go up the stairs, it's not the best position for a boiler, and it's not the easiest to work on.